Hi, my name is Stephen Honig. I'm Senior Director of Portfolio Expansion with Legrand rAVe. We're here today to show you the Unified Cloud by Legrand. Basically, that is an open cloud platform that is based off of Legrand products and also extending and opening up to products throughout the industry and different manufacturers and different cloud connections. We are really excited to be launching with new products. So in addition to our Middle Atlantic PDUs and UPS products, we are now sharing our products from Daylight. Our Daylight screen controller is now available on the Unified Cloud, as is our Luxel routers. We've got 3 SKUs of routers that are now launching onto the Unified Cloud. So Luxel, an AV first networking company, has been there and is now available on our cloud platform. So now giving our customers access and availability to all of the Legrand products as we scale and grow, in addition to the wide manufacturing space within the AV industry. So we're really excited to show this and the new capabilities that it's offering. Thank you. If you want to learn more, please visit us at Legrand rAVe. Thank you so much.